Welcome to Windows PowerShell. How to quick upgrade all available packages by single command. First of all, open Windows PowerShell on administrator mode. Right-click on Windows PowerShell, select Run as administrator. Maximize the Windows PowerShell window for better view. Install the latest PowerShell for new features and improvements. https://aka.ms/ps-windows. Now type command line, wing-it upgrade. Once you press enter, Windows PowerShell will download. The msstore source requires that you view the following agreements before using. Do you agress to all the source agreements terms? Press Y for yes or N for no. The moment you press enter, all the available latest version ID and source. Currently 4 upgrades available. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Now type command line wing-it upgrade all. Once you press enter above command line, Windows PowerShell start downloading automatically all latest version. One quarter found Adobe Acrobat Reader, 64-bit, Adobe Acrobat Reader .64-bit, version 25.001.20844. Downloading began approximately 803 megabytes. Once downloading completed, Windows installer will pop up for installation process. Successfully verified installer hash, starting package install. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Two-fourths found Google Chrome exe, Google Chrome.exe, version 142.0.7444.60. Downloading began approximately 420 megabytes. Successfully verified installer hash, starting package install. 3/4 found Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 x86 redistributable, Microsoft.vSeries.2010.x86, version 10.0.0.40219. Downloading began approximately 8.57 megabytes. Successfully verified installer hash, starting package install. 4/4 found Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable, x64, Microsoft.vSeries.2015+.x64, version 14.44.35211.0. Downloading began approximately 24.4 megabytes. Successfully verified installer hash, starting package install. Once all latest version completion, check and review the latest installed status. Type command line wing-it upgrade no installed package found matching input criteria. Finally, Windows PowerShell single command line updated all missing latest version. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.